Onboard 1, in from the north. Onboard 1, clear high, clear high. Onboard 2. Onboard 2, clear high, clear high.
Designed to be extremely durable. Everything on this aircraft is redundant, so it can take enemy fire and can continue to be part of the fight. In just a minute, we'll see the KC-135 Stratotanker that's going to come in. That aircraft is operated by the 171st Air 71st, is known as the Michigan Six-Pack. Way back in the 1970s, that squadron was flying F-106 Delta Dart aircraft. That was an air-to-air superiority aircraft. They were flying F-106s, and so the squadron became known as the Michigan Six-Pack. And that is, if you get a cool name like that, you hang on to it. And so still to this day, the 171st is known as through that boom into the receiving aircraft. It is an amazing sight. If you go to Live Airshow TV, after today's demonstration, you'll be able to see some recorded footage of what it looks like in the boom operating position. Back in the JTAC is a single-seat aircraft, so there's just one pilot on board. KC-135 has flies with three pilots up in front, and then the boom operator actually lays on his or her stomach in the back of the aircraft and flies that boom into the receiving aircraft.